Today, our growth mindset challenge is to create a boat that will hold penny passengers in water without sinking. Think about the shape of a boat. Your boat needs to hold pennies for 10 seconds without tipping over or letting any water enter the boat to be successful. Here are the materials you will get to use to build your boat. You'll have 2 cups, 4 rubber bands, 3 index cards, 4 pipe cleaners, 2 pieces of foil, 4 straws, and 4 pieces of tape. Your job is to work together with your team. You will be in a group of 3 students to build your boat. When we work in groups, we have to use flexibility. Everyone has ideas, and you should listen to each other's ideas to come up with the best plan. Maybe you will combine ideas. Maybe someone has a better or different idea, and you have to be flexible and try their plan first. If plan A doesn't work, go back and see if you can come up with plan B or C or D or however many tries it takes. The process of discovering what does and doesn't work often leads us to a better way of creating something. If you are having trouble with your boat, should you say, "I give up," or "I can't do this"? No! You should tell yourself, "I can't do this yet," and use some grit to make your boat float. Another word we could use to show our growth mindset is optimism. Optimism is showing hopefulness and confidence about the future or the success of something we are working on. You could change the word impossible to possible if you are being optimistic. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," you could say, "I can do this." If you are showing optimism, you are being positive and hopeful that you will get the job done, even if you have to show a little bit of grit along the way. Now back to our challenge. Once you have constructed your boat from the materials provided, you want to see how many pennies it will hold. This picture is just an example of a Plan A type boat. And this picture shows you how the pennies are inside of the boat. You should be creative and work together with your team. Take your constructed boat to a teacher at the tub of water. If your boat can hold 5 pennies for 10 seconds, can you reshape it so that you can add more pennies? Could you get up to 10 or 20 or 30? As you test your boat in the water, think about what materials work the best. If your materials get wet or ruined, you do not get any more. You need to plan before you test out your boat. You only get 2 cups, 4 rubber bands, 3 index cards, 4 pipe cleaners, 2 pieces of foil and 4 straws, and 4 pieces of tape. No more supplies. Now let's see how many pennies your boat will hold before it starts to sink.